guys, welcome back to my channel. How is it going? I hope you are all doing well and had a wonderful weekend. Today we're testing out another foundation, but it's a foundation kit. It's by Pierre Cosmetics, and this was sent to me by the beautiful All Kinds of Everything. I will link her channel down below. She sent me the kit in Fair, which I think is going to be right for my skin. And I'll just tell you a little bit about this first. You can buy it from Look Fantastic. I'll link it down below. It's currently on offer. It's normally £59, but it's on sale at the moment for £47.20. And they do it in fair, medium, dark and deep. It's like the 4 shades along the bottom. I'm interested to see if it's like buildable, or because if there's only 4 shades then that is shocking, so we'll see. Inside it you've got a concealer, a liquid concealer, a mineral foundation, a warming bronzer, and then a mineral luminizer and a kabuki brush. So yeah. On the website it says Pierre Cosmetics Glowing Complexion Essentials Kit in Fair combines a selection of must-have makeup products to leave your skin flawless and healthy looking, utilising only natural and kind to skin ingredients. The collection is suitable for all skin types and will leave your skin looking radiant and feeling happy. So yeah, this is, they're cruelty free. I don't know if they're vegan or not, but they are. I'm pretty sure they're cruelty free. They've got the cruelty free little logo on the bottom. I'll pop cruelty free and hypoallergenic. It doesn't say anything about being vegan. If I can find it out, I will pop it in the description box down below for you. Inside the box it comes like this. I've just got it out now so I didn't end up like flinging them across the room. So I'm assuming you've got your kabuki brush, your concealer, the foundation, and then one of these is the luminizer and one is the bronzer. So let's just get them out. We've got the little kabuki brush, which is really, really soft. It's like, it's a lot fluffier than I'd use for a foundation brush. My general foundation brushes are quite dense, and like this one's really dense, whereas this is very fluffy. So I'm interested to see how that works. And then we've got the concealer, which is just called a makeup base, and it says you can use this as a concealer, or you can use it like to prep your eyes or prep your face for other makeup. So I'm just going to do a little swatch. It's just straight up peach, so that is not going to be any good for concealer for me, but I think that will be good as an eye base for eyeshadow, so I will pop that on and set some as my eyeshadow base. But I think, am I right in thinking peach cancels out blue tones? Is that right? It might be okay. I'm going to try it. I'm going to put a little bit under my eyes and see what we can do with it. And then we've got a mineral foundation in Ivory, which has got the little doodad on. So let's get that off, the little plastic. I haven't used a powder foundation set like this since like probably 7 or 8 years ago. Ben's sister bought me the Bare Minerals makeup kit, and I really liked that, and that was the only foundation I wore ever, like until I started my channel and started daring to use other kinds of foundation. So let's just see what this is like. I think the colour's going to be fine on me. That's the foundation swatch. Yeah, I think it'll be fine. And we've got the bronzer, which I'm going to get the little thing out. I'm always scared of powder bronzers, that I'm going to make myself look like David Dickinson. So the bronzer, get them on my hand. It's quite warm, but I think if I do it going really lightly, we should be okay. And then finally we've got the luminizer. Oh, this looks pretty. It looks like a like sort of champagne-y kind of colour. Get off. Does it say what colour these are in? It just says, oh, it just says luminizer. It doesn't say what colour. Oh god, it just got far too much out. Let's have a little swatch of you. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. So it's like, it is like a kind of goldy champagne. It's really pretty. That is beautiful. I really like that. I'm not sure if it's going to work as a highlighter, but as an eyeshadow, that is going to be gorgeous. So we're just going to do it. I'm going to get a little concealer brush. This isn't a concealer brush, but it will work as a concealer brush. And we're going to try the makeup base first. So I've just got a little bit on here, and I'm just going to, I might just have to do a little bit of this first and then pop some other concealer over it. I'm just going to get a little foundation brush and just, so you can see it's definitely cancelled the darkness, but it is a little bit too peachy for what I like my under eyes to be like, but it is as nice as a base. I have prepped my skin with my Tarte moisturiser and then a little bit of my e.l.f. poreless primer just in my T-zone. I think that's done a really good job actually. I don't think I do need any other concealer on. Let me know what you guys think, but I think that's done a really good job. I'm now going to put this on my eyes as my eyeshadow base. I'm going to see if it can cover any spots, because I've got a couple of little spots down here, so we'll see if it can do anything about those. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, I really like that. So I'm going to get a little bit of the foundation and I'm going to swirl the brush in here, tap, and then start to buff. Okay, first impressions. It is very, very sheer coverage. I don't know if you can build it up or not, but I really like, it's just kind of evened it out, like my redness, it's just evened it out, which I like, especially for summer foundation. And it has got a really nice glowy sheen to it, like you can see. It's just really nice because it is a glowing complexion kit. Right, I am going to just get this little, my more packed foundation brush. I'm not going to go with my Y6 because I think it's going to be a little bit too dense. And I'm just going to just see if you can build the coverage up anymore. I really didn't like how the more packed brush applied it, so I'm just going over with this. I don't think you can build it up, to be honest. If anyone has managed to successfully build it up, let me know. And that's not a bad thing, that's a really good thing for me because I love sheer foundation. I'd much rather just like tone down my redness and even it out and still be able to see my own skin through it than full coverage. That's because I'm scared of full coverage. So that for me, oh, I absolutely love it. Oh, yes, I'm super excited about this. Can't even get my words out, I'm so super excited. Right, now is where it's all gonna go Pete-tong. I've got the bronzer and I am actually going to, what am I gonna use? I'm gonna use the lid of the foundation because it's a bigger, you see the bronzer one is tiny and I'm really scared that I'm gonna like just get a big patch of bronzer on the brush. So the bronzer says, using a light hand, apply to the edges of the face, alongside the bridge of the nose and along the cheekbones. So I'm not sure that I'd use this brush for the bronzer. I'm just gonna get my normal bronzer brush and just here it just looks a bit like it's just... Okay, I just got a little bit of the foundation on my bronzer brush and just sort of went over the area where it's a little bit like clumped. But I really like the finish. What are we doing next? I'm going to grab a little bit of blush from just another palette because I feel like I need something to brighten my face up. Highlighter brush, and I'm going to dip into here. Oh, that's really pretty. I need a clean brush. I went in a bit ham. That is so pretty. Because the rest of my face is quite glowy as well, I'm trying to go a little bit less ham on the highlighter. That is super pretty. That's going on the shoulders and on collarbones. Oh, I really like this highlighter. Okay. I am going to finish my face with my eyeshadow and stuff, and then we'll come back and do final thoughts. I just had to come back. I've just put the bronzer through the crease for my eyeshadow, and I've just slightly dampened a brush and then started to paint on the highlight, and I had to just come back and show you. Look at that. That is insane. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. So even if the highlighter, you're not a fan of gold highlighters, that is the most incredible pigment. I had to just come back and show you. So wow, we'll come back. Right, I'm all done. I am absolutely blown away by this highlighter as an eyeshadow. I think it is incredible, but overall I can't fault the kit. I think it's lovely. I will 100% use all of it again. I'm probably not going to use the bronzer as a bronzer, but as an eyeshadow crease colour I think it's perfect. It's really nice and warm, and I think maybe if I do get a tan I'll use it as a bronzer, but I think it is a little bit too warm for me, but that is just personal preference. I think the foundation is lovely. It isn't sitting, I'm gonna zoom you in, it's not sitting in my pores or anything. Like my skin, it just looks really glowy, which is what the kit is meant to do. I ended up going a little bit more glamorous than I wanted today with the eyeshadow, but I just think it's a really lovely kit, and I really like this, and this is going to be something I'm going to use a lot this summer, so I'm super happy. My lipsticks as well, for anybody that is wondering, it's Bonnie XO Cosmetics, and it is Ecru and Rosewood mixed together. Yeah, I am super chuffed. So let me know if you've got this kit, what you think of it, if there's any other powder foundations that you think are worth trying. But for now, that is all. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.